The performances that you've seen this evening have been a result of many months of work. People have been working and thinking about the best way that they can explain their story, they can explain how they feel, for other people to learn. So we've had stories told of people's life, we've had explanations of a diagnosis, we've had dancing, we've listened to some music, and all of these things are different to the normal way that we have conversations, we learn about each other. The project's called Hidden Voices Project, and it's about listening to people that don't often have the chance to speak. And there's different reasons that people want to tell their story. One is that it is therapeutic, it makes you feel better, it helps you learn things about yourself, and in the process of planning what you're going to write or what you're going to say or what you're going to dance, you have to think truly and look inside yourself. And the other way is that you'd like to tell a message, you'd like to tell your story to help other people with their journey and their story. So Hidden Voices is about just that, listening to those voices that are no longer or not often heard.
Distance, my soul heart, silent inside. In the darkness of night, I'd hear the cries of falling stars. I'd listen to the waters, not understanding the replies. I look up the skies, could the clouds carry me? I am in Wales. Forget about which language I'm speaking, forget about which language I'm supposed to speak, forget about which language I want to speak. I can go beyond what one language can. Maybe being without language. No words, just without language. No words, just the tongue of nature. No words, just the rhythm of emotions. To talk this land step by step. Just like Wales, I was suppressed. They tried to shape both of us. I'm here in Wales, where I was always want to live. Thank you, Wales. Maybe you are the mother that I always missed. You hear our words, but sometimes we don't want to use words and explain our emotion with music or movement. So now you can hear and you can see us how we explain our emotions.